What, are you recording?
Yeah.
Alright. Which way should I?
Bring him out this way and do it.
You recording?
Yeah. Dude, you're gonna crash it.
Did you get that?
I think it's hard to see.
Better bring it close. Uh-oh.
Get you go up really high.
Alright.
Oh, she's gonna stall. Keep going. Go higher. I can't even see it on your phone.
I'm trying.
There it is.
Okay.
Dude, go higher.
No.
Go. Alright, get you a nosedive. No. Is it on?
No.
It turned off.
No, it's not.
Oh, you just want to give it a throttle? Dude, that was awesome. Do some tricks. Go up higher and get you a mean flip. Don't hit the power line. You idiot. Go up. You better pull up. Oh, don't you hit us.
Right,
Go up higher again.
No.
Yes, do it.
No.
And get you a flip. You're about to lose control of it. Were you trying to do that?
No, not really. Over the pole.
Oh, God.
Alright, I'm gonna take it down.
Alright, land it easy. That wasn't bad.